It's not huge. It's your size. That's pretty. It's like a skating dress.
That looks like a skating dress. I think it is.
What do you say?
Thank you. Now, what else you got me?
Not greedy at all.
Oh, yay, a puzzle. Yay.
Yay. It's a 3D puzzle.
Nah.
Yeah. Bubblegum tape. M&M's and a chocolate Santa.
Gonna have some more bubblegum. We normally get this on the Easter Bunny.
Awesome. Santa brings